Let me get the.
So the Jeff Richards show.
Oh, it's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
Some people seem to be predisposed to this phenomenon, and we call it extrasensory perception. And extrasensory perception falls under the category of metaphysics and phenomenology. You know, mind.
I let that marinate, and then at night I'm mixing the cocoa butter, I'm mixing the shea nut butter.
Issues. I'm not. You're the doctor, not me.
Okay, but
so why is it your fault, doctor?
Why would you?
So I constantly have to stay up on my manscaping, but
absolutely, that's what I call them. They call me Danny. I don't allow them to call me Dad or Bob, but I let them call me Dad once in a while.
Extrasensory perception.
Right. The pizza place.
Yeah, a long time ago, 96 maybe.
Many times. You just never accepted my invite.
No. Told that Jeff's not going to be here today, and I'm supposed to take over. Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging music.
You ain't a bitch.
How did you research to play that role?